Everybody, how are you? I apologize. I know I've been a little MIA, had some computer issues, and my day job has really been ramping up. But I haven't forgotten you all, and I still love you all. Anyway, I had a brainchild here. Okay, so someone asked me a question on one of my videos. Can you make a video just around the no-nonsense rules, like explain them, like the 1 ATR, the 1 candle rule, the 7 candle rule, etc. And I thought, yeah, that's a good idea. And then I thought, there's a lot of people that they wade through VP's content and they still have questions. Now, obviously, when people have any kind of questions about no-nonsense Forex, the first thing I'm going to do is refer them back to VP's wonderful content. No one explains it better than VP. But I thought, though, to supplement that, maybe I could do just little like bite-size videos, if you will, and call them kind of like no-nonsense Forex building blocks and put them in a separate playlist so people could kind of just work through the whole system. Now, this would be just what my understanding is of the no-nonsense Forex methodology. And if I don't get it right for some reason, I would welcome anyone to discuss it in the comments. But here's what I want you guys to think about. I have 17 different topics listed here that I've already thought of, and hopefully you're looking down the list as I'm reading, as I'm going through this. But my first question to you is, number one, is this worth doing? Is this something that you think people would find valuable? Because it's just going to take some time and work to put these together. But I don't mind doing it if it's going to help people. And number two, I thought of 17 topics here that could be these little bite-sized building blocks, if you will, these little videos. But what am I missing? Is there anything I'm missing? Anything else you'd like to see? Before I get started in this, I want to kind of have that outline in a proper order. So if you think of anything additional, please put that in the comments. Again, A, should I do this or not? And B, what else should I include? That's it. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.